Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. Alright then, we're just taking a quick look at Verasity on our daily time frame. As we can see, we have been retracing in line with what Bitcoin's been doing over the Christmas period. If we take a quick look at Bitcoin's price action, you can see that it has been retracing up from this level up here as I predicted. Once we got up to around this 107k area, we did have a bit of a retrace, as you can see, probably making some bearish market structure here, and I do still think that Bitcoin could have a further drop towards the 80k-ish level over the next few weeks. But Verasity obviously has just been retracing with Bitcoin looking bearish, as you would expect. You can see quite clearly on the charts here that we have been heading down, back down for a nice little retrace for Verasity. Probably making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside somewhat here. And forming, as we have seen before, potentially as well, a very nice descending wedge type pattern that we are starting to see across a lot of altcoins that we have been looking at. You can see here that Verasity has been making some bullish market structure recently, as you can see, as we came down, touched that bear market low, and since then we have bounced to the upside. I'm still holding this long position, which I think will come up and hit my profit target up here, which narrowly missed over the past month or so. But overall, I think Verasity is doing fine, just moving in line with pretty much all the other altcoins and waiting for that time in the sun that it's going to get, being a small cap that hasn't really seen much capital rotation yet. I do think it's going to get a nice breakout of this resistance trend line that we've formed here soon, heading up towards 2 or 3 cents into this area in the next move up for the altcoins when we eventually do get that nice move. You can see in this local area there are some things to be aware of. Obviously we have broken back inside of this range that we were in before. You can see we were trying to test this as support, but did get that continued push to the downside because of the altcoin market in general getting dragged down. As we can quite clearly see here, we have fell back inside that range, which did make a good amount of resistance and support. We finally got that breakout and that retest into this area at around 1/4%, but we did break down below and are currently retesting it as resistance. Looking like we are forming a very nice descending wedge here though. The target would be obviously back up towards this 1 cent level and finally breaking out of that overall bear market range that we were in before. As you can see, resistance and support being tested for this multiple times. Very much chopping sideways for a good while. But I do think Verasity is going to have, like I said before, its time in the sun once we do see a nice amount of capital rotation for altcoins in general. If we take a quick look at the altcoin basket, I can't remember exactly what it's called. Physical cryptos, altcoins. You can see that the altcoins have had a very nice run recently against Bitcoin, even with Bitcoin moving up as it has been. But altcoins have obviously been moving up in general with it. They haven't actually dropped too much. I think Bitcoin right now is probably due for a bit of at least sideways action, maybe a drop to the downside. But if that's the case, obviously, if we do see ourselves continuing to drop for Bitcoin, then Verasity will probably continue to decline back down, as we said before, waiting for its time in the sun, and all of those altcoins really looking for a nice move to the upside. Overall, Verasity, like I said, looking fine as it continues to chop sideways. Accumulation for the long term is still my personal strategy, and in 2025 now I'm expecting to see some big movements for all of our altcoins as we head into this. I'm predicting a very bullish Q1 of 2025. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. you.